everyone, welcome to Freshman Comp, English 1301. I am your instructor, Lucy Creary. The purpose of this video is to show you some features in your online course and to walk you through how to find things in your course. So what you're looking at here is the course homepage. If you ever get off this page, you can always come up here and click on this link, Welcome to English 1301, and it takes you back. I'm looking over here on the links on the left, and I'll just kind of walk you through all of these. Instructor contact link takes you to how you can contact me, my email address, my phone number, my office location, and my office hours. The syllabus, you'll want to read this over carefully. It will take you, or it will walk you through the grading schema, the books required, the course description, behavior policies, grading criteria, where you can go for tutoring, and I'm going to add a course outline. I just haven't done that yet. That should be there by the end of the week. Okay. Going back, you can access all of your weekly lessons here. You'll want to start on week 1, of course. This is an 8-week course, so your final exam will be available in week 8. So you can go to each week by clicking on the corresponding link. Each week you'll have a list of things that you'll need to do and a series of folders. It varies depending on what we're doing that week, that will lead you to other explanations and other assignments. Now, everything in this class, or everything in this course, each weekly activities, they're all due by Saturday at 11 p.m. So this week's assignments will all be due by this Saturday, the 29th at 11 p.m. Now, I want to warn you that you really need to use time management skills and begin working on the material right away. And check it off as you work on it so that when Saturday rolls around, you're mostly finished. Because, you know, some of the weeks get very busy and it's really hard to do everything, you know, on a Saturday afternoon. But the reason I make everything due on Saturday is because I'm taking into consideration the fact that you all have work schedules, family schedules, other obligations. This way you can work on material when it's convenient for you, but you have to have everything done by that Saturday, the Saturday of that week at 11 p.m. And if you go to the course calendar right here, you'll be able to see all of the due dates. Now these are assignments for other classes and your assignments aren't in here, but when you click on the calendar, you'll be able to see on Saturdays all of the things that are due for that week. Okay. If you need to check your grades, you'll click on the My Grades link, which will take you to a page that looks like this. As assignments are submitted and graded, you will start seeing these areas populated with scores. Now, essay assignments and writing assignments, you can't see anything now because nothing's submitted, but you'll be able to see a rubric, so you can click on that rubric and it'll bring up the rubric for how I scored your essay. In addition, if you click on the actual assignment right here, like I said, you can't now, but once you submit on the assignment and I've graded it, when you click on it, you can open the assignment back up to read my comments. So it's very important that you take the time to go back and look at at my comments on your writing assignments. Okay? If you need to send an email to me or to anyone else in the class, the best way is probably just to click on the Send Email link. You can click on All Instructor Users if you want to send it to me. Make sure you have a subject here. Make sure that it's clear and it's specific, and you can type your email message down here. Now make sure that when you send me an email that you use a greeting. Mrs. Creary is fine. And make sure that you're very clear and specific. Keep in mind that I get lots of emails from other students because I teach several other classes. So if you would try to be as clear and specific as you can in your email as far as who you are and why you're emailing me. So an example of a good email might be something like, I am confused about the first essay that is due this Saturday. I am mostly having trouble with my introduction, whoops, and the thesis statement. And again, remind me who you are. I am in your online 1301 class, and my name is Lucy Crew. Thank you. And then your full name. Or if you might want to introduce yourself first and then write, you know, the email message, whatever. But the point is just to be clear and specific, okay? So that's where you send email. The MLA template, this will lead you to a link where you can open up a Word document that shows you how to set up all of your writing assignments. So you'll want to use this whenever we do a paragraph or an essay assignment. It just shows you where to put your name. You'll put your instructor's name here, the course name and number, the date. You'll always include a title and begin typing your essay indented. Okay? So that's where you'll go for that. And let's see, I think that is everything I needed to show you. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email me. I'm here to help. I don't want you to be confused, so please just come to me if you ever have questions about an assignment or about a due date. And I look forward to teaching this class, and I wish you all the best.